Hello students, through this video we are going to look at the nature of relation as well as function with the help of arrow diagrams. We have constructed 9 examples of relationship and we are going to see through this arrow diagram whether these relations are function or not. Here the first diagram, the first set represents the set A and the second set represents the set B. In the first example, what do we notice? A is associated with 1 as well as 2. That means this particular element A is associated with 1 and also 2. B is associated with 3. But C, the element of A, is not associated with any element of B. So, the first condition of the relationship is violated. Also, the second condition, that means the image of A is 1 as well as 2, but 1 is not equal to 2, and therefore the second condition of function is also violated. Hence, it is an example of a function, a relation which is not a function. Similarly, if we look at the example 2, A is associated with 1, B is associated with 3, but again C is not associated with any member of B. Therefore, first condition is violated. Though second condition is not violated in this case. Only first condition is violated. Therefore, this is an example of a relation which is not a function. If we look at the third example, A is associated with 1, B is associated with 3, C is associated with 3. That means also C is also associated with 4. Here first condition, that means every element of A must be associated with some element of B, and this condition is okay. But the second condition, that if an element A of A, this set, is associated with 2 or more elements of B, different elements of B, then that is an example of a relation which is not a function. Here what do we see? C is associated with 2 and C is associated with 4, but 2 is not equal to 4, and therefore this is an example of a relation which is not a function. Here first condition is okay, but second condition is violated. In the fourth example, we see A is associated with 2, B is associated with 2, and C is associated with 3. That means all the elements of A are associated with some elements of B. Moreover, therefore the first condition is satisfied. The second condition is also satisfied. That means every element of A has an unique image in B, and therefore this is an example of a relationship which is also a function. We also see that two elements A and B have the same image too. That means many elements of A have the same image in B, and therefore this is an example of a many one function. Now, at the fifth example, we see A is associated with 1, B is associated with 4, and C is associated with 2. Here both the conditions of a function are satisfied. We also see that each element has a different image in B, and therefore this is an example of a function which is 1 function. That means one element is associated with only one element of B. This is also an example of a function which is not many one. If a function is not many one, it is 1 function. Now, if we look at this example, here A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2, and C is associated with 1. Therefore, both the conditions are satisfied. Both the conditions of a function are satisfied. Therefore, it is an example of a function. It is also a relationship. Now, here two elements A and C have the same image. Therefore, it is an example of a many one function. Now, what do we see here? Here, the range of the function is equal to its codomain. Therefore, it is onto function. It is an example of many one onto function. Now, if we look at the example number 7, we have A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2, and C is associated with 1. Both the conditions of a function are satisfied, and therefore this is an example of a relation which is also a function. It is also many one function because the images of A and C is 1. Also we see that here the range contains 1 and 2. Range of the function is a part or subset of the codomain, and therefore it is an example of many one and into function. Similarly, if we look at the example 8, we see that A is associated with 2, B is also associated with 2, and C is associated with 2. Here it is into function because the range is a subset of codomain. It is also many one function, and this particular function is called constant function. Now, if we look at this example number 9, A is associated with A and B is associated with B. Here, the set A is equal, the set A and the set B are same. A is associated with A, B is associated with B, and this is 1 onto function. Also, this function is called identity function. ओके, थैंक यू. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए